Hi everyone, my name is Ahmed Masri. I'm gonna talk about are the sports car is dangerous. Racing has always been dangerous sport where something can go wrong at any second with no warning. Race cars race cars have improved a lot during the current era, and the drivers are much safer during accidents. Even when rolling over or sliding upside down. Drivers drivers escape with very few serious injuries. It's therefore safe to say that modern sports cars are in fact more dangerous than other type of vehicles, and this is reflected in the often far higher auto in, insurance rates that drivers of this car pay, and with safe driving practices. They don't have to be any more dangerous than grocery getter. In most cases, racing car on the dedicated race track is much safer than driving on the street. Trucks are usually designed to challenge drivers with run off room and safety barriers when something happens. Today's sports car have multiple airbag, all-wheel drive, active traction control such as anti-lock brakes, lane departure wiring system, engineered crumble zone, and a slew of other safety features that help keep the car on the road and keep it uh, occupants safe in the events of an accident. Sports cars are made to brake well. Uh, well, this is possible because of them having larger stickers, tires, and lower weight, weight that than traditional passenger cars. The shorter braking distance that result of these are important in daily driving. For example, if one is driving and somebody is in the road, one has to use emergency braking to him. This is where the shorter braking distance come into play. One is able to stop. One is able to stop and swerve out of the way on the less time and in less of distance in a sport car than one is in a traditional car. The same idea can apply to two cars in how one can use emergency braking to swerve out of a car's way, saving both drivers and process from accident. Driving sports car would also allow people to drive as a whole faster, which is actually safer than driving slower. People are safe while driving when they are driving in the higher uniform. Speeds would allow for everybody to be more safe. This would also make racing the speed limits more plausible and more safe, since people seriously drive at the speed they believe is safe given such conditions as the weather and the road, which is sometimes over the speed limit. Racing the speed limit allows for driving safely to be legal on the highway Racing the speed limit means that those who go in the passing lane that would normally go over the posted limit, while everybody is obeying such a limit, would then be driving legally and not have to worry about speeding. Those who drive at the speed limit would go into the left lane, while those who drive a bit slower would stay in the other lanes. Faster driving would allow to people to get to school, work, or events faster, and as a result, the time of a commute is reduced. Thank you for watching.